Good morning, guys. This is Nick with Rebel Coasters Events here at Kentucky Kingdom Theme and Water Park here in Louisville, Kentucky for the 2026 mini event for Flying Fox. As well as other content creators got invited to ride Flying Fox for the first time before any other guest opens to the public. For the ride Flying Fox, let's go check it out. Let's go.
All right, good morning, everyone. Who is ready to ride our brand new roller coaster? We are so excited to have everyone here. From our 4-H students to all of our amazing leadership at Hershend and our state partners at the Department of Agriculture, Dana Feldman and her team, thank you all so much for being here. My name is Carly Uglow, and I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing here at Kentucky Kingdom. We cannot wait to get all of you on Flying Fox, but first, I'd like to introduce to you Andrew Wexler, Hershend CEO.
Good morning, everyone. Today is another exciting milestone in Kentucky Kingdom's story, and another reflection of what we believe at Hershend. When we became stewards of this park in 2021, we made a promise that we would invest in Kentucky Kingdom, invest in Louisville, and create experiences that bring families closer together by creating memories worth repeating. Over the last several years, that promise has come to life through meaningful additions across the park. From Discovery Meadow to expanded seasonal festivals of pumpkins and Christmas at Kentucky Kingdom, to new entertainment, dining, and guest experience enhancements throughout the park. And now, Flying Fox becomes the latest example of that vision in action. This coaster is bold, fun, uniquely Kentucky, and full of energy, just like this community. From the moment guests take flight over the skyline and dive underground, Flying Fox will create the kind of shared thrills and unforgettable moments that families will talk about long after the ride ends. But what excites us the most isn't just the coaster itself, but what it represents. It reflects our belief in this region and that it deserves a destination of this caliber. A place where families can return year after year to laugh, reconnect, and build traditions together. I want to thank Sarah Royale for her leadership, our incredible Kentucky Kingdom hosts, our Hershend Creative Studios team, who all helped bring this vision to life. Their dedication, talent, and heart are what make days like this possible. We also want to appreciate the partnership and commitment of the Kentucky Exposition Center. At Hershend, we believe the best parks are deeply connected to the communities they serve, and that's certainly true here in Louisville. We're proud to continue growing alongside this community, and I can say with confidence, there's more to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Andrew, for all the support Hershend has shown us over the years. Now, I'd like to welcome Sarah Worrell, General Manager of Kentucky Kingdom.
Hi, everybody. Thank you, Carly. Thank you, Andrew. And thank you all for being here today. As Carly said, I'm Sarah Worrell. I'm the General Manager here at the park. I've been here for 5 years now, and days like this never get old. This is a really exciting opportunity to watch something go from a design on a computer screen to becoming a real, awesome, in-the-flesh ride. It's why we do this, and it's really special, and it's why this team shows up every single day. The ride is a nod to Kentucky agricultural, with farmland settings that feels like at home, built for families and shared thrills. It was made with so much care and creativity by people who genuinely love this park. From the theming and the story of Jeb Fox to the barn and to that moment where the track sweeps you underground, every detail is perfect. I'm so proud of the team and the work that they have done to put this space together and take it from concept to reality. It's a really exciting, fun ride. I think a lot of people are going to be surprised by what the ride experience feels like. I want to thank Andrew again and the entire Hershend team for their continued investment in the park. You can really feel the $33 million investment that we've made in the park so far, whether you're strolling through Discovery Meadow or you're visiting us at Pumpkins or Christmas at Kentucky Kingdom. It's a really special time of us taking flight with Flying Fox. What you've seen over the last few years is a direct result of the belief in us, and we don't take it for granted. To all of you, our guests, thank you so much for choosing to spend your day with us. I can't think of a better way to spend a Thursday in Louisville. We're really excited for everybody to take flight, and we'll see you flying on Flying Fox.
Thanks so much, Sarah. And finally, I'd like to introduce Kentucky 4-H President, Case Sherrill.
Good morning, everyone. Like she said, my name is Case Sherrill, and I have the privilege of serving as the Kentucky 4-H President this year. I have to admit, when our foundation sent me the email, told me I'd be speaking today, I had two pretty distinct reactions. The first was, how absolutely amazing is this? What an awesome day. And the second was more along the lines of, oh goodness, I have to write a speech about a roller coaster. But standing here today is really exciting because we're celebrating so much more than the opening of an incredible new ride. Although that is definitely worth celebrating too, today is about opportunity. Opportunity to have 4-H agents and youth across our state here for this incredible experience. Opportunity to donate to the foundation. The money received through the First Riders auctions, fans had the chance to be among the very first to ride the Flying Fox. And together we raised $1,600 for the Kentucky 4-H Foundation. Something we are tremendously appreciative of. Every bit of that support helps Kentucky 4-H continue reaching young people across our Commonwealth through hands-on programs in agriculture, leadership, science, and community service. In 4-H, we talk a lot about making the best better and learning by doing, and those ideas are at the heart of everything we do. Whether it's a young person showing livestock for the first time, speaking in front of a crowd they never thought they could stand in front of, or discovering a passion for agriculture or leadership, 4-H gives young people the chance to grow into the best version of themselves. That growth only happens because people choose to invest in young people. And that is exactly what today represents. A coaster like Flying Fox, built around Kentucky's agricultural roots, makes this partnership even more special and meaningful for us in 4-H. So on behalf of Kentucky 4-H, thank you to Kentucky Kingdom, Hershend, and the Kentucky 4-H Foundation, as well as everyone who took part in the auction and helped make today possible. We are incredibly grateful for the support and want to thank Kentucky Kingdom for inviting 4-H members to be here today. Thank you all again, and we can't wait to see you on Flying Fox.
All right, thank you so much, Case. Now, we've just decided we're going to match that donation for Kentucky 4-H Foundation, so you'll be expecting that as well. All right, now the moment you've all been waiting for. Who's with me? We're gonna count down. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, the coaster's now open. We're getting ready to launch the first riders from that auction, and then you all are ready to go on and file through the queue line and get your rides. Enjoy the day, guys. We hope you love Flying Fox.
Thank you.
Did you get that? I did. Oh, you did? I did.
Do we want to ride?
That's kitchen. It's family friendly, but you cannot take a baby.
Where am I going? Come on, wait.
Or I guess shoes and stuff fall out. They drop there. So it is pretty nice.
I can't. All right.
Into the blue bins, to the left once again. These are all articles such as hats, backpacks, cell phones, glasses, without a strap, or any loose big shoes to the blue bin to the left. Please and thank you.
Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your day. It's actually really fun.
Hey, recruits! Once settled in your seat, please lower your restraint and fasten your seat